Can I tell you at the moment, Dr. Patra, 1 minute. The son of the 60-year-old civilian Bashir Ahmed who died says his father was brought down from the vehicle and killed by the CRPF. The father of this boy, look, this incident is shrouded in claims and counter-claims. My limited point to you is, when such an incident takes place, surely you must wait, press the pause button before you tweet in the manner that you do. Here is the father of the son of the 60-year-old civilian saying his father was brought down from vehicle and killed by CRPF. That's what Ashraf Wani, Aaj Tak's correspondent, is reporting.
Rajdeep,
yes.
Can I ask you a question in return?
Yes.
You are an ace journalist. You were an ace reporter once upon a time. The question is, Rajdeep, what do you believe? What do you believe? That the CRPF pulled this old gentleman and killed him, in fact, in cold blood?
Sir,
what do you believe?
I would like to trust my armed forces. I would like to trust my armed forces. I am not on the ground. I am not on the ground. Ashraf Wani, our reporter, is on the ground. All I am saying, sir, all I am saying, whatever happens, is this a moment to mock a tragedy? It's a tragedy.
Rajdeep, just a second. I have not completed.
A 6-year-old boy has lost his grandfather.
Rajdeep, first and foremost, this is terrorism. Just a second, this is terrorism, get it right. And Rajdeep, I asked you a question, you said,
I agree.
I would like to.
We are united against terror.
You would, just a second, Mr. Rajdeep, you don't have to shout over me. Mr. Rajdeep, I want to be calm. You should be calm so that people can understand. Thank you. Rajdeep, when I asked you, what do you believe? You said, I would like to believe my army. You would like and love to believe your army, but I believe my army. I don't have to ask anyone, Ashraf Wani or whoever that reporter of yours is, I don't have to ask him that whatever was said was wrong. I'll tell you why his father said so. Because this is what happens in Kashmir. If he would have said otherwise, he would also have been eliminated by the terrorists. That is the way people had been living in the garb of fear in Kashmir. Gradually, thankfully, after abrogation of Article 370, after the
violence continues. After the abrogation in August of last year, the violence continues.
No, Mr. Rajdeep, don't transgress. Don't transgress. Now you said that this is a tragic picture. Why should I show this picture? Let me tell you, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, this picture should be shown by India in the United Nations Assembly session.
Sir, please show the picture, but why do you need the caption? Why do you need to mock the tragedy of a 3-year-old boy? I will ask you in conclusion, Dr. Patra, what will you tell that 3-year-old boy when he grows up? What will you tell that 3-year-old boy when he grows up, Dr. Patra?
I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell the 3-year-old boy that he is an Indian. He always was an Indian, but still in India there were people who had supported Pakistan. I would tell the 3-year-old boy when he becomes 30 that there were people who in fact were responsible for the death of your grandfather because they all the way supported jihad. I will tell the 3-year-old when he gets 30-year-old that there were news anchors who said that I would have loved to in fact believe the Indian army, but I did not because some Ashraf Wani somewhere said that Indian army pulled out.
Misinterpret my words. I said I like to believe the Indian army, but I will also go by the version that my reporter gives on the ground.
You would like,
please do not misquote me.
You have been caught red-handed. You have been caught. No, I'm not misquoting you, sir. Your exact words were, I would have liked to believe my army. And I say, I believe my army. If you believe, you say, I believe. You do not have to say, I like to believe, number one. But I don't want to transgress.
Yes.
Let me tell you the importance of this picture. I was just saying that when you interfered. Remember that lady representative of Pakistan showing one picture in United Nations, and the picture was a Palestinian woman's picture, and on the garb of the picture she said that this is how we have atrocity in Kashmir. Did you know where the picture come from? The picture came from the Communist Party of India because that picture was used as a poster in Kerala. The Congress and the Communist Party's picture was used in United Nations against India. I want that this picture should become the picture of representation across the globe, that this is what jihadists, Pakistanis and the jihadi supporters, the left, liberal, Islamists,
you are not going to apologize. You are not going to apologize for the kind of lack of empathy that you have shown by labeling this picture with Pulitzer Awards. Please show the picture. There was no need for the label.
Sorry, sir, the Dia Mirzas and the Dadlanis have to apologize.
Okay.
The Dia Mirzas, the Dadlanis, the Swara Bhaskars have to, where are they? Where are they? Where are their placards? Why aren't they ashamed today to be an Indian? They were ashamed yesterday to be an Indian. Where are they?
Okay.
Where are their placards?
Okay.
Why aren't they ashamed that there's jihad sponsored
let's
by
leave it-
Pakistan? Where are their placards?
Let's
Or
leave it
all
there,
the placards are
Dr.
paid
Patra.
placards.
This is not about placards.
Where are
As
the
I said,
Gadlanis
this is
and the
about
Diya Mirzas?
basic human empathy. A 3-year-old boy has tragically
Yes,
lost
this is about placards,
his grandfather.
sir. This is about placards.
We are
Mr.
one
Rajdeep
on the
Sardesai,
issue
this
of
is
terror.
about
We must
placards.
strike out
Just a
against
second,
jihadi
Mr.
terror,
Sardesai,
but we must
Mr.
first show
Sardesai,
empathy
Mr.
for
Sardesai.
innocent citizens.
We should
That's
have
where
two
we differ.
placards.
I don't
I'll-
think you showed empathy.
I'll
You
tell
do.
you.
You believe
Just
you
a
did.
second.
Let's leave it there.
I'll just
We
complete
agree to
my
disagree.
sentence.
Thank you very much,
I'll
Dr.
tell you,
Patra,
I'll
as
tell you,
always.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.